Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seddiesnowz, and if you're just watching my video for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button below and we are good to go. So I want to say a huge thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for your love and support. And I feel like it's been long since I sat down like this to talk to you guys, because recently I've been doing more of tutorials and DIYs, so I've not really had time to sit down, face the camera and talk. But well, today I'll be doing that, just for a few seconds though, because if you watched my previous video, I did a DIY on how to make a drawstring ponytail, and in today's video I'm going to be installing that on my head. So but before I do that, I just decided to greet you guys because it's been long. So I just wanted to welcome my new subscribers. You're very welcome to my channel. Just stay tuned for more videos and amazing content. So guys, this is the drawstring I made. Don't mind me, see the way I packaged it, like one very special stuff. Well, special though. So this is the drawstring ponytail I did. See, very cute, very cute. And like I said in my video, I purchased this hair from a local beauty supply store, and this is 2 packs, even though it was remaining just a little, but this is the whole 2 packs because I wanted the hair to be very full. So I used 2 packs, and I got them for 3,000 Nigerian naira. 1 pack 1,500 naira. So the nature of the hair is kinky, and this is kinky hair now. So God, guys, like I said in that video, this is my very first attempt at making this thing, and I'm so proud of myself, guys. Like, I did not expect it to turn out this beautiful, and I think it was a very big risk to film my very first attempt to post on YouTube, but thank God it came out well. So if you haven't watched that video, that was my previous video. So if you haven't watched the video, just scroll down and you'll see it. I might even link the video in my description box, so just go check it out. So I'll be installing this hair in a minute or 2, so just stay tuned and watch the outcome of this ponytail. So guys, let's go. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you really love this hair, and if you like the video, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and tell me what you think about this hair in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, please support me by subscribing so you can see more amazing videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye.